We're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've secured this 718 Cayman with a Starline Pro. So if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's a different way of immobilising. The vehicle starts up. On this vehicle, when we pop it into gear, it cuts out. So the thief's not going to be able to drive it away. The way we've done this, much easier for the customer to use. They can start the car like normal, pop their code in that obviously they can choose. We'll wait for a tone, and then we put it into gear, and the vehicle can drive. When they turn it off, it takes 10 seconds to set and the system becomes active. You can choose to disarm by either having a phone in the vehicle or setting your own code using the factory buttons between 3 and 21 presses in any order you choose. But this is the simplest way to use it. We just start the car like normal. Before we pop it in gear, we'll put a code in like you saw, wait for a tone, and then into gear, and we can drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Starline Pro Immobiliser on a 718 Porsche Cayman. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.